So today we're talking about 3 different lines within the GE family and the ranges that they offer. First, we're starting off here at GE Profile. This is their newest model of induction slide-in ranges. GE only makes that standard 30-inch range size. This one we're looking at here has that big color touchscreen, Wi-Fi, air fry, no preheat cooking. And the big feature that they have that they aren't offering in any of the other GE families is going to be this pan sensor technology that works with a Bluetooth pan, and you can actually cook via the app. And it's going to tell you when to flip it, what temperature to set it at, and that also can just sense the temperature of your pan depending on your setting and adjust the setting accordingly for your target temperature. In Cafe's line of ranges, they not only offer that standard 30-inch width that every mainstream manufacturer offers, but they also offer what we call pro style ranges here in the industry. So 36 inches wide, 48 inches wide, offer some dual fuel options, griddles, grills, things of that nature. What Cafe is known for is being able to offer a color outside of stainless, matte black and matte white, and then also field installable hardware kits. So they have 6 different finishes. Your Cafe appliances are going to ship standard with stainless when you order matte black and stainless appliances, and with brushed bronze when you order the matte white, and all of them are field installable and changeable in the future too. So if you don't buy the kits right away and you want to change it, that's not a problem. It's as easy as an Allen key. At the top of GE's lineup, we have the Monogram lineup. Right here, what we're standing in front of is the statement 48-inch all-gas range. What's different about Monogram from the Cafe line, from the Profile line, is they only make pro-style ranges. So the way that this unit is going to stand proud from the face of the cabinet and the counter. And additionally, instead of having like a storage drawer or a warming drawer underneath the ovens, it's just going to be more insulation. These ranges are made to last a lot longer. They have a lot more firepower. Insulation is needed for those things. What sets Monogram apart is the brass accents that are going to be all over the range, whether it be the burner caps, the blades on the knobs, the insets on the edges of each handle. It's really about making a statement, so to speak. And you also have 2 23,000 BTU high output burners that are dual ring. That's huge power whenever it comes to a pro style range. And it comes in 30, 36, 48, gas, and dual fuel.